Hey again, Bob from Boss Rocks DIY Solar. This is a follow-up to the water heater video I just got done doing, and I just wanted to show you something interesting. Just before I started this video, I'd been inside playing on the computer, and I hadn't really been paying much attention to the system, and it got up to 160 degrees. So that was a little too hot for me, but the lower temperature is 140. So what I did is, to bring down the temperature of the tank, is I switched over the thermostat here so that it's circulating constantly. And what that's doing is that's mixing up the water inside the tank and circulating it in there, so it'll even out the temperature between the top and the bottom. So since doing that, it dropped from 160 to 153. And as you saw, the bottom of the tank is 140 right now. And this will drop a little bit more, and it'll probably even out to probably around 145 or something like that by the time it gets done mixing it all real good. And that's 160 degrees from, let's see, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and that's with the collector straight up. And the sun is just a little bit past dead center high. So that shows you there what kind of water temperature you can get from one of these collectors here. I thought you might find that interesting. Thanks for watching.